back. In this quick tech tip video, I'm going to show you how to switch to Microsoft Edge or uninstall Internet Explorer 11 because IE 11 is going to be retired soon, and so you want to make sure that you uninstall IE 11 and switch to Microsoft Edge. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick now in about 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds, and also I'm going to show you how to do it in PowerShell if you need to be able to deploy this to multiple computers instead of setting up each individual computer itself. So if you navigate to the C program files Internet Explorer directory on your system, you'll see an executable there called iexplore.exe, and go into details. You'll see that the product version is 11. So file version 11, Internet Explorer 11. That's the executable, and everything else underneath it that we want to remove from our system. So there's two ways to do that. It comes up and it brings up a dialog that says switch to Microsoft Edge. Now that's a link there to launch it, or either set the default browser as Internet Explorer. Now we don't necessarily want to do that because we want to uninstall Edge from the system. Explorer is installed fully and running optional features from a elevated command shell. So this is PowerShell running as administrator. And if you just run a command called optional features, that'll bring up the optional features dialog as we have here now. And you can see that Internet Explorer 11, if you hover over that, it says finds and displays information and everything. So Internet Explorer 11 is installed as a feature on my system here, and as you can see, I ran it up just a minute ago. So you can either go in here and deselect this, and it says turning off Internet Explorer might affect other programs and all that sort of stuff. So you can just click yes to that, and it will uninstall Internet Explorer 11 from this particular system. But if you want to do this on multiple machines, like in other words, script it up, and we'll just run a program command here called dism, which is a built-in servicing tool. And the switches are /online /get-features /format table. If we just run that, it'll build a list here for us, and you can scroll through this. But you see in here what we're looking for is one in particular, which is this one here. Internet Explorer optional AMD64, which is enabled. Okay, so that's also confirming for us that as a feature on the system, Internet Explorer optional is enabled. Okay, and we want to turn that off. All right, so I'll run this command here: disable Windows optional feature minus feature name Internet Explorer. And if we run that, you can see that it says here disabling Windows Explorer, and it says, do you want to restart the computer to complete this operation now? I won't restart right now, but basically that's it. I'll just do a no in there. Optional features again. You can see that the Internet Explorer option 11 is unticked in this case. Now it is being removed from the system. So if you want to batch this up, you can just run this command here: disable Windows optional feature minus feature name Internet-Explorer-optional online, and it says, do you want, and then after that's run, you can reboot, and it's been the executables and everything still exist on the system. It's because we haven't rebooted yet. So we can see optional features, and you can see here now that Internet Explorer has been removed, and that's how you uninstall Internet Explorer 11 or disable or remove it from the system. And it's a really easy way to do it. It's better than going in and doing it individually on each machine. You can do it like this, and once you remove it, because it's no longer going to be supported by Microsoft, that's one quick way of doing it. Hope that's helped you out. You might want to clean up your system. See you in the next video.